Hello, welcome my dear viewers to my channel, cooking channel. And today, because of the demand, people ask me to make the Mangalorean way of making this fish curry. Okay, there are many variations. The Malabar people prepare differently. The Mangaloreans prepare differently. Goans prepare differently. But today I am preparing the Goan way. I am making Mangalorean way. Okay, it is called sorbol, or it is in English black pomfret. In my Marathi, Kannada, all the local languages called halwa. Okay, halwa. Look at it, you will understand what is the meaning of black pomfret. Okay, this is the way. This is the head. Now I got it cleaned at the fish market. He cut it in slices. I chose to get it cut like this thin. I marinated with turmeric and salt. I use the crystal salt because usually for fish I like to use that. Okay, marinated and kept it aside for half an hour. Now I will show you what is the masala. Okay, this is the dry masala which I am going to dry roast it. Some of them roast it with oil, but today I am going to roast it dry roast. I will show you that. About 8 to 10 red chilies I have taken. It is not at all pungent much. Some of them take this variety, half of it, and the small variety which is pungent I believe, but I don't have it. Now this is the mustard. A little mustard I will take. Dry coriander, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander. Then always coriander is more in any of the non-veg dishes. Okay, it is half tablespoon of cumin seed, jeera. That's called jeera in Konkan. Very few seeds of fenugreek. One-fourth tablespoon of pepper. Okay. Little bit of rice grains. Very little. Maybe it is a quarter teaspoon. Okay. It is any variety that you use to cook. It seems this is used to just thicken the curry. And yes, this I have to dry roast. But before I go to the kitchen, I will show you the wet masala. Small ball of tamarind. This much tamarind size. Now I am putting tamarind, but not putting tomato or not even putting this, because some of them put also the sola, we say in Konkani. I don't know what they say in English. Okay, sola. I am not going to put this today. Then I have 1 onion, 1 inch ginger, about 8 to 10 garlic cloves, and half garlic cloves and half fresh coconut. Okay. Now let's go to the kitchen and dry roast the masala. Putting it on a medium flame because medium flame. This is a tawa you use for dry roasting. I am roasting this on dry heat because I want this to have a good aroma. Don't burn it. And medium flame. Why? Because with high flame they get burnt. And stop roasting it till you see that the rice grains have puffed up a bit. Keep on stirring it. Okay, the dry roasted masala, I will grind it. Why am I grinding it separately? Because if you put this in the wet grinding, it doesn't become fine, especially the coriander. Okay, once more. The onions, the tamarind, if there are any seeds, remove it. Put in this garlic, turmeric. In marination I put, but here also I have to put half teaspoon, and put the coconut. Cut the ginger in pieces, because if you don't cut in pieces, it may not grind. Yes, I'll show you. Now I will put in the dry grind masala. See, over that. I told you the reason why I separately ground it. Now I'll grind this. You have to put in little water while grinding, so I washed the dry grinder. Lovely. Once more I will run the grinder and then it's done. Okay, I have taken the mud pot because I like to cook fish in the mud pot. I will put in the masala. You must have seen there's something liquid inside, that is water. There is a reason why I put water, because if I don't put water and put the masala, it sticks to the pot, because this pot is porous. So always better to put it. It's not oil. Okay, remember that. Okay. A little more water. You see, I mixed it first. I had not lit the gas. Now I will light it. And keep it on a medium flame. You should be very careful when you're using mud pot, because on the gas, usually people used to cook on the wood. Now when you use on the gas, the temperature is very high at the center. So always see that you don't light the gas. If you are doing in this way without oil, then you have to put little water, put the masala, and then light the gas. Suppose you are using oil, also keep the pot on very low flame, put oil and slowly increase. So that's the way you protect your mud pot. Let it come to a boil. I'll put little salt in that. One must have patience while cooking in the pot, because slowly you may lose patience, but the dish turns. Put it very gently. Salt. I have put little. While marinating I put, and even while the curry I have put. This is 1 kilogram of black pomfret. Halwa, surubol, You must always use a wide pot, you know why? Fish is actually very delicate, and you do like this so that all pieces get submerged in the ocean of masala. Leave it. It has to come to a boil again. The full curry has to come to a boil. Give patience. I think 5 minutes is required because you cannot overcook fish. The taste will go. Okay, allow it to boil on all sides. Then I will garnish with just 2 green chilies that I have slit and put. Allow it to cook. It is boiling. Another 2 minutes left. Let me check for the salt. Little more salt is required. Let it boil. Yes. So good. You have to very carefully fish it. Let me put it off. My dish is ready, and I hope you will like cooking the same way that I did, and with lot of care, love, and this thing I have made this surbol, black pomfret. Okay, my dear viewers, please enjoy cooking the way I have done. Though there are many variations, but follow this variation and you will love to eat it with boiled rice. Today I made cooked boiled rice. So we will enjoy eating this fish curry with boiled rice. Thank you. Follow my channel. Okay.